आई नो हमें एस्केपिस्ट सिनेमा चाहिए, दुख दर्द भुला दे बस हम, वो भी है, गार्डियंस ऑफ द गैलेक्सी लगी है, पर सच से मुंह मोड़ लेने से वो सच गायब तो नहीं हो जाएगा, रेकनिंग तो आएगी एक दिन। तो जब हिंदी सिनेमा की सबसे प्रबल आवाजों में से एक उठकर मेहनत करके कुछ सच कहे, हम नहीं सुनेंगे तो कौन सुनेगा? Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel जहां हम मूवी रिव्यूज करते हैं, इंटरव्यू भी हो जाते हैं कभी-कभी। Today we're talking about Sudhir Mishra's Afwaah, now in movie theaters. Set in a small town named Sawalpur, seemingly in Rajasthan, अफवाह कहानी कहती है 24 से 48 घंटों की। इलेक्शन के टाइम पर एक यंग पॉलिटिशियन willing to do whatever it takes to win, including अपनी मंगेतर पर कीचड़ उछालना, with the help of a homegrown IT cell, killing off his own henchmen, etc., etc. The hunger for power has blinded him to all possible outcomes of his actions. यहाँ वो शुरू करवाते हैं फिल्म की टिचुलर अफवाह, जो घूमकर कैसे जेनेसिस पर आती है वापस, मूवी देखकर आपको पता चलेगा। Despite everything अफवाह is already saying, I suspect Sudhir Mishra has more where this came from. कह नहीं सकते कि क्या ये एंजाइटी कि अगली फिल्म बनाने कब मिले is the reason why the script and screenplay runneth over with many depictions of issues ailing us as a society currently. I don't know. Obviously, lofty evils जैसे imaginary religious conversions under the guise of love and organized WhatsApp propaganda, systemic apathy, police brutality, to more nuanced observations like the length of a beard a man chooses to keep basis on which part of the country he lives in. ये सब है। सुधीर मिश्रा और स्क्रीनप्ले एवं डायलॉग राइटर्स निसर्ग मेहता, शिवाशंकर वाजपेयी, अपूर्व धरबतगाया, they have so many thoughts and emotions. It's overflowing from their hearts onto paper and then onto film. In their attempt to use this one opportunity to say all they have to, despite the tight timeline of the events of this movie, the screenplay tends to meander, one subplot not so much merging into the other as stumbling forward and backwards, slightly rocky on its feet.
अच्छी कहानियां वो है जिसमें तर्क हो, जो आपको प्रोवोक करे। Why? You have to ask why.
But what Afwaah lacks in finesse and occasionally craftsmanship, it makes up for in willpower, if that makes sense. ये फिल्म अपनी पहली सीक्वेंस से आपको implore कर रही है कि आओ let's feel something. But if you do feel, then let's say it out loud. And if you do say something, then let's walk the talk. Almost breaking the fourth wall at one point, Nawazuddin Siddiqui's character, while giving a sort of TED talk, says, अच्छी कहानी वो है जिसमें तर्क हो, जो आपको प्रोवोक करे, which is the most obvious intent behind this movie. Much like अनुभव सिन्हा की भीड़ from a few weeks ago, यहाँ भी हर किरदार एक representation है, एक face है of a larger concern plaguing Sudhir Mishra. And Ernest Bhumi Pednekar plays the fiancé. ये वो faction है जिन्होंने शायद अब तक अपनी silence से powers that be को support किया है, अब जाग रहे हैं, एक line draw कर रहे हैं, perhaps realizing the harm their complacence has caused. नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी is Rahab Ahmed, married to author Nandita. इस देश के वो लोग जो अपनी privilege की वजह से अभी तक अनहोनी से अछूते रहे, पर जान रहे हैं कि नजर फेर कर जिन लोगों को नजरअंदाज कर रहे थे, उनसे निपटने के बाद हुजूम किसी को भी चपेटे में ले लेगा। पैसों और एजुकेशन से मिली कंसेशंस खत्म हो जाएगी एक दिन। सुमित व्यास as the young rabble-rousing politician is unfortunately a template young buck we've become familiar with now IRL, with his henchmen blindly following instructions in the hope of a better tomorrow, in the lack of a better understanding of various situations they find themselves in. Sharib Hashmi as faithful but unpredictable lackey Chandan once again shows his acting prowess and ability to infuse life into anything handed to him. We've seen this specific stereotype character appear in various forms in other movies and shows before, but at the hands of Sharib Hashmi, Chandan, while familiar, is somehow a new kind of menacing.
एक बेवकूफ दूसरे बेवकूफ को आके एक चीज बताता है, वो बेवकूफ जाके वो चीज आगे 10 लोगों को बताता है बिना सोचे समझे.
And it's all very direct. इस फिल्म में subtext ना खोजिएगा. At one point, a digital media manager just shows up in a room and immediately starts yelling at a politician, Vicky Bana, कि अगर आपको politically relevant रहना है तो इंटरनेट को समझना पड़ेगा. In one scene, donkeys come out of a truck instead of cows after vigilantes have lynched a man. It's broad, but is it far from the truth? Afwaah की climactic sequence plays out at a literary festival. Sudhir Mishra again pointing out yet another irksome facade of society around him. Intellectuals intellectualizing, not realizing, of in our La La Lands of poetry in designer clothes on elaborately lit stages. While the setting adequately and tragically paints a picture of some liberal societies, it falls just short of searing owing to the unsubtlety with which the sequence is written and edited. Without giving much away, to me it felt a little bit like the writers couldn't come to a consensus on how to end a very important scene and kind of let it languish before moving on to the bigger, more important climactic moment. Having said all of this, Afwaah, despite its stuffy script, is an honest tale of our times. It's a filmmaker expressing their frustrations honestly and empathetically despite the egregious and blatant injustices they're talking about. अगर फिल्म के इमोशनल कोर की बात ना भी करें तो भी it works as a fast-paced thriller, an escape room genre of sorts, जहां एक शहर की सड़कें एक रात में जेल बन गई हैं।
दरवाजा खोलो यार आप प्लीज।
वो वीडियो वाला है, भाग यहाँ से।
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Afwa is 3 years ago now. Serious Man had released Jo Bhi hai Netflix पर. If you would like to make this a Sudhir Mishra of the 2020s weekend, check it out. This weekend we are also talking about Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 and Saas Bahu और Flamingo. जाने से पहले click that bright red subscribe button right under this video. It's big, it's red. Just click on it. My name is Acharita. Thank you for stopping by.